This is Gary Geiman with the Dominate the Day podcast. The purpose of this podcast is to help you get 1% better in your business, provide clarity, and give you some ideas that will help you grow your business. If you're ready to dominate the day, let's go.
Dominate the day, that's what we're about to do. If you don't want to dominate, then this podcast ain't for you. But if you are, then keep listening, cause every single damn day, the mission is to dominate. You already know we're here to dominate the day. So if you want to dominate every day, then let's go, it's time to grow. This is another episode of Dominate the Day.
What's going on? It's Gary Geiman with Dominate Partners, and I want to help you dominate your SEO. So a lot of people ask, what do I need to do to rank better in Google on search? What are the things I need to do? Well, we could discuss a lot of those things, and there are many, many, many things that you can be doing. But what I want to do is I want to break it down into the actual focuses, the philosophies that can help you rank better in Google search. So the first thing I want you to do is I want you to go Google your company. That's right. Open up Google. Type in the name of your company. Don't add parentheses. Don't add any other things that you think will help you pull up rankings. We don't want to do that. We want to see organically how you rank. Preferably do this on someone else's phone who isn't at your place of business or isn't someone who's on your website or socials a lot. And I say phone because 70% of searches are going to be done by phone. So use the phone to find your company online. Now, scroll. Tell me how many times you see your company name in succession before it stops. For instance, if you Google Dominate Partners, DMN8 Partners right now, you're going to get a couple pages of Dominate Partners entries. If you Google my name, Gary Geiman, you're going to get about 5 to 6 pages of entries about me and things that I've done. And so that's what we call focusing on the brand or focusing on the entity. And the way that you do that is you create directories, you do you do press releases, you do podcast interviews, you put content out around your name and your company name. Because you see, Google looks at the company name and then at the keyword search and equates those. And if you're not coming up for your brand, when you Google your brand, you're definitely not going to dominate the search in your keywords and in the keyword focuses that you want to do. So the first thing you need to do, focus on your brand and focus on getting your brand everywhere that you can. And that will help you dominate SEO as the number one thing that you need to focus on and start with right now.
Dominate the day, that's what we're about to do. If you don't want to dominate, then this podcast ain't for you. But if you are, then keep listening, cause every single damn day, the mission is to dominate. You already know we're here to dominate the day. So if you want to dominate every day, then let's go, it's time to grow. This is another episode of Dominate the Day.